my name is Jennifer. I'm a research analyst and I rank Mode 4 out of 5 stars. And for more reviews, click below. Yeah, so we use Mode to pull reports from our data warehouse, and we use these for a variety of different purposes. Me specifically, I used it from a sales perspective, so I was able to pull reports regarding the person that I was trying to sell to so that I could have a more educated um, discovery call with them. So what I like most about Mode is that it's very user friendly. I don't have a software engineering or a data engineering background, so it's really easy for me to go in, pull the reports I want without having to bug our data science team. What I like least about the software is that it takes a significant time to load the reports. Just pulling like smaller reports about different customers that I'm reaching out to, it takes 1 to 3 minutes. And when I'm trying to reach out to 50 or so merchants per day, it takes a while.